AG Labs, my name is Ben. Hello, welcome, good morning to the micro soldering show. Today in the morning we just solved an issue together on an iPad Mini 4 and Andy was already on the pad and he said he don't has the time today in the morning to fix that because he's only there about 1 hour. After that he has to go to his house and work there. So normally he isn't here at all today because he has holiday. But he came just to help a little bit in the morning today, and he had a look at the pad and he said, no, I can't fix that now because I have to do a lot of other things. Ben, you could do it. It should have a short. So let's see if this device really got a short or if Andy just told me it has a short and it has no short.
I hope not.
What up, nigga? By the way, rest in peace, Kobe Bryant. He was one of my favorite basketball artists in my young life. In the was this Jugend? I don't know. In the youth. Okay. Today in the morning I don't know. My head is not working like it should work.
That's tragic.
Yeah, that's tragic. So, okay, we just check for a short.
I loved when you said that, but I didn't love because of Kobe.
Yeah,
I love
I hope
this
for
phone.
you. And yeah, we got a short. Great. And we don't have a 1 amp short. We have VCC main, I think. Yeah, nice. Can you please give me the cam? Perhaps you got only one amp,
No,
4.2 volts, but how many amps?
5.
Okay. So I see 5 amps directly. So I should be
1 amp short.
I should be slow now because this will be normally a fast repair. And yeah, we just have to work slow. Okay, how did I check for short in this case? So first I had a look for the battery. So where's my plus, where's my minus? So here I just did the measurement, okay. So I saw on the top we have minus and on the bottom we have plus, okay. So battery has 3.8 volts. After that I just go to the power supply and I go directly to the pins of the battery FPC and I see we got a 5 amp short, okay. Now we just want to see where we got the short. So battery is disconnected. I just get off the shield here and we go straight under the microscope camera. So let's see where the short is. Perhaps in that area here. Or we can do it in another way. We can just take the camera out of here. Andy, could you please go with the camera over the, or, oh wait. Oh, I can do it in that way too. It's okay. It's just much easier. But I can try it in that way too. here we are. Beautiful, really beautiful. Let's see, iPad mini 4 short on VCC main. Do you see that cap lighting up? Great, nice short. So now we just go under the microscope cam, and I just want to show you the cap. And if you see, if you have a close look here, you can see that this cap is broken. Okay, so we already got the broken cap, and now in that case it is next beside to the big power IC. And I don't want to use too much heat here, so I just knock the cap off in that case and don't replace it. Okay, cap is off, and I just let it stay in that way. Normally I don't like things like that, but on VCC we have enough of caps for stabilization, and I want just to prevent any heat damages on the underfilled big power IC. So let's check again if the short is here or the short has been gone. So that's nice. So I think we should be back to life again. We can do measurement in ohm. And now we are at about 30 mega ohms, and that's really okay. So we just take the screen, plug it in, put the battery on, and let's check. 1, 2, 3. Are we lucky or not? Yes! Boom! Back to life again. iPad mini 4, just a little short on VCC main, and you see about 8 minutes and the problem has been solved. If you take the time for taking out the screen, should be 10 to 12 minutes, and we are done with that little problem on that iPad mini 4. So I don't know if there are any private pictures on the lock screen, so I just take the pad back to me, and I want to show it to you after I see something. And here you see all is nice, pad is back to life again, and we have a happy customer because he has all the important data on the pad, and the pad is fully working again. I just want to mount the pad completely again, getting the old clue out of the screen, and just renew the clue on the screen, and after that the pad goes back to the customer. Was this the screen of the customer, or is this?
It was opened before.
Okay, it was opened before. Okay, so I just want to assemble the pad, and after that it will be mailed back out to our happy customer with all the data and fully working. I hope you liked this video, short video for a Monday morning, but better a short video than no video. I'm out. If you want to learn things like that, you can easily do that at the Board Level Repair School Germany. And if you're working at the repair industry for smartphones and tablets, you can just join our Facebook group Smartphone Repair Germany. I would be very happy about that, but please answer the questions, otherwise we can't accept you. Okay, I'm out. We see us with the next video. And by the way, buy your ICC Pro now. Get it, pre-order ICC Pro, the tool which every technician in the world should have. I'm out. Boom, back to life again. Your Sven.